All right, boys, we're back. So if you guessed every single cylinder is misfiring, you nailed it, buddy. Look how fouled out those plugs are. Not to mention they're covered in oil. I will be dropping a long form video about what's going on with this car if you're interested. I appreciate the comments on that last short. You guys are awesome. So if you want to follow along with this whole thing, don't be afraid, bro. We do cool shit around here. Look at my YouTube shorts. Follow along, subscribe. I'll subscribe back. So don't be shy, my boy or girl. So if you want to stick around with this thing, see what's going on, or if you got a fellow messed up Mazda, we'll figure it out together. It's funny, I just saw a preview of somebody's comment up here that was like, all Mazdas are misfiring, dude. What do you mean? Bro, I wish I could say you're wrong, but my man is absolutely right on that.